Hey there, and welcome to TechLighten Me. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a repository on GitHub. First, log into your GitHub account and go to the repository you want to delete. I'm currently on the dashboard view in my account, and I'll select the repository I want to delete here on the left. On the next page, click on the Settings tab at the top right of the repo page. Now you need to scroll all the way down until you see the danger zone. You can see the warnings here that this is permanent and not reversible, and that you must be sure before you continue. If you're sure and you want to delete the current repository, click this option that says Delete this repository. Next, click the button that says I want to delete this repository. Once again, you'll be warned that this is permanent and not reversible. If you understand and want to continue, click on the button to continue. GitHub will ask you to confirm by typing the full name of the repository as I'm doing now. Once you've typed it in, click Delete this repository. And that's it. The repo will be permanently deleted. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.